example of aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic compound, as well as we also find out the different properties which are we have been considered during find out the aromaticity of the compound. Today we going to discuss on the some different example in which the double bond is involved. The double bond is outside of the ring or in between two rings, or there is some heteroatom outside of the ring, and how that compound are considered under the head of aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic. We just look, let's start the example. I just write first example. Of course, it is a cyclopropene ring and one double bond is outside of the ring. Okay. Now friends, when we look toward this structure, we will get confused whether we consider can it is aromatic or anti-aromatic. At that, in this case, we just try to separate the charge. Okay. There is a two way of charge separation. Charge separation is always followed that the ring should be aromatic in nature. Therefore, what happens when we put negative charge toward this and positive charge toward this side of bond, that time we realize the two negative charge contribute 2 electron, and therefore the 4 electron system, it is the anti-aromatic system. As we know that this ring is planar in nature, and when negative charge is come here, the complete conjugation is find out and negative charge is shifted out. But this is unstable in nature, and therefore we goes toward the charge separation like this, and negative charge come to this part. Okay, and this is the 2 electron, 2 pi electron system and follows the Huckel's rule, therefore it is the aromatic in nature. So friends, when we proceed the charge separation, we use this technique for this. Now second example. I hope you are able to find out the answer. Same here. There is a two way. First is negative charge here or positive charge here, but I have placed negative charge here and positive charge here during the charge separation, because when negative charge come to this carbon, this system is 6 pi electron system and it is aromatic in nature. The next example we will be consider that. It is a cycloheptane ring and one double bond outside of the ring. Same here, charge separation we have to consider. Positive charge, negative charge. Because when positive charge is come here, complete delocalization is observed, there is no any sp3 hybridization, planar ring, and positive charge is shifted, and therefore what happened? The 6 pi electron system is observed, and therefore this compound is aromatic. This compound is aromatic. Okay, I just drop it. But friend, when any one of the heteroatom is present outside of the ring, that time which criteria we have to consider? Just look toward this. Okay, this is the double bond oxygen. Oxygen is joined with the cyclopentadiene ring and with double bond, and this oxygen atom having a tendency to attract or pull electron density itself. In this example, we are not place our basic idea to put the positive charge or negative charge on the carbon atom, and therefore what happened, as per the tendency of the oxygen, the electron density shift toward the oxygen and positive charge is create on this carbon, and therefore this is the 4 pi electron system and it is anti-aromatic in nature. What is this? Anti-aromatic in nature. So friend, this is one of the criteria, and another criteria I just told to you that the criteria is there is okay. Now look toward this. Here is the two ring and both the rings are bind with each other with a double bond. And we want to find out whether this molecule binding rings are aromatic or anti-aromatic in nature. Now what we have to do here, I just do the separation of the charge. And when I separate the charge in this way, I will get the positive charge on this carbon, negative charge on this carbon. Okay, and then what happened? When we study the pi electron system, we will get that this system is 2 pi electron system and complete delocalization have been observed here. Now in this case what happens? Same thing. Here is a 4 pi electron and 2 electron we will be get from one negative charge. Therefore this system is 6 pi electron system. Both the ring shows aromaticity and therefore this molecule is considered under the head of aromatic molecule. So friend, if you understand, if you watch it clearly and with a full concentration, I hope you understand what is the criteria behind the aromaticity or charge separation. We will be discuss the number of example. You just try to write the compound whether it is aromatic or anti-aromatic.